Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to forget Wi-Fi network settings and how fix wireless connection problem in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now click on Wi-Fi. And if you want to forget this one, then simply click on info icon, and on top you can see the option forget this network, and simply click on forget this network, and here it will be confirmed to forget your network. Then simply click on forget, your network will be forget. And if you want to reconnect your network, then simply click on it, and here write your new password to connect your network. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and open general and scroll down in last, and here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on transfer or reset iPhone, and now click on reset, and here you can see the option reset network settings. Click on reset network settings, and here enter your screen passcode, and it will be confirmed to reset all your network settings. It will be reset all your network settings but never destroy another data like photos, videos and other data. It will destroy all your network settings like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and other network settings. So this is the way to fix wireless connection problem and forget Wi-Fi network in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.